Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to exercise your facial muscles, because what happens beneath the skin is equally important as what we put on top of it to stay looking beautiful and age gracefully. And today we have a very important topic to discuss, which is namely your posture. After sitting on our butts probably throughout the entire lockdown, it is not a revelation that we probably have a posture like a sunken bag of potato chips. And who's to blame but us? And who's also the one who will fix that? Also us. So let's talk about this in more detail. While we're all starting to get vaccinated and get back to our life, hopefully, we probably still have not the best posture from the last year of sitting mostly around. And this can not only cause headaches and back pain, but can lead to a hunch. And trust me, girlfriend, Halloween is only once a year and you do not want to run around like a witch like this throughout the entire year. So I would love to show you how you can regain your ballerina strength and why it is so important to have good posture for your entire face. And since more and more jobs require to having us sitting in front of a computer regularly, it is very important to regain awareness over your posture, because when you hit your 30s and 40s, everything goes south, and it'll not only again cause back pain, but will really have a huge impact on how you look and feel overall. So let's go. What are the benefits when we have good posture? You can actually gain 30% more oxygen when you have the right posture, which means oxygen is in charge of getting the right nutrients to the right places in your body, make you feel better, have more stamina, and overall feel and look better. With the right posture, you also release the pressure of your spine and use your muscles as intended to walk straight through life and with a lot of confidence. You will also realize that with the right posture, you can really reduce your headaches and discomforts around your head. And if you subconsciously play with the thought of becoming a turtle, then make a test. Put your fist under your chin and close to your neck, and if your fist is touching your collarbones, then you have completely wrong posture and you should tilt up your head generally. With the right posture, you can also improve your digestive system, because if you're straight, all the organs are aligned and nothing is squished together, reducing acid reflux. And generally, if you have good digestion, your skin will improve so much, because everything starts from the gut. Lastly, you will also feel more concentration and focus, because if everything is aligned, all the oxygen can flow freely, your blood circulation goes smoothly, and that causes you to be more sharp in your head and generally go through life with more awareness. And who doesn't want that? So let's look into the posture more. So now that we know the benefits of what a good posture actually can do to you, let's actually work on that, and I'll show you a couple of techniques which you can follow right along with me and incorporate them into your daily routine to get a straighter back and run with more confidence through life, because this is what All You Can Face is about. I want you to feel and become the best version of yourself, and you can only be that if you are confident and kind to yourself and treat yourself with self-love. Let's start. The first exercise is to open up your chest, and we're going to do this for 30 seconds. Let's go. The second exercise is where we're going to throw our arms and really open up our chest and literally hug each other. And you can cross your arms and switch them off. And we're going to do this also for 30 seconds. So let's go. exercise is going to be, you're going to lift your arm, tilt it down, and then use the other arm to slightly move down your elbow. Make sure your posture is right and you're not hunching forward. And we're going to hold this also for 30 seconds. Now, let's do the other side. And lastly, we are going to do neck rotations for 30 seconds in one direction and then in the other. Let's go. Don't forget to breathe evenly through everything and keep your shoulders and your back relaxed. Let's do the other side. Like this video, and I hope also you will incorporate some of the techniques into your daily life, and I would love to know what changed for you when you started doing that and how you feel afterwards. And with that being said, if you want to become the best version of yourself, start learning how to incorporate smart techniques into your life without spending too much money, then start subscribing to this channel, click the notification bell, and I can wait to see you next week. Until then, I wish you a wonderful day. Mwah.